What's up folks, welcome to Slake Academy. I'm Pradeep. Today we are going to see exercise 4 of polynomial of class 10. So now here we have already solved exercise 1, 2, 3 that I'll just give you in the description, you can go through. So now we'll see exercise 4. Okay, so in this exercise 4 particularly there is a division algorithm, so that we'll just discuss briefly and then we'll go for the problems. So here we could see division algorithm. This division algorithm which is having few things which we'll just try to understand by taking certain example and then we'll go forward. Suppose I'll write 6 by 2. Okay, so 2 is in the denominator place and 6 is in numerator place. Simply the simple division will make it and will make it more easy. Suppose this particular one 6 by 2, I'll write like this: 2 and 6. I'm just dividing 6 by 2. Okay, so how I can do now? 2 3s is 6 and the remainder we are getting as 0. Okay, so now here this 3 is quotient. Okay, and the 0, it is a remainder. Alright, and this 2 is a divisor, and the 6 is there now, this is dividend. Okay, so in every division whatever we do, there is having a dividend which is dividing dividend with the divisor, and here this value is a quotient and this is a remainder. Okay, let me take one more example. Suppose let's say this is the first one which we did as an example. Let me take one more example also. Suppose I'll write here something like 5 by 2. Okay, so here 2 is a divisor, 5 is a dividend, so I can write 2 2's is 4 and 5 minus 4, 1 is a remainder. Okay, this 5 is what? It is dividend, and 2 is a divisor, and this 2 is a quotient, and this one is a remainder. So now these all things, dividend, divisor, quotient and remainder, will just combine into one factor that I'll show you now. See here, that I'll write it as dividend is equal to quotient into divisor plus remainder. Okay, so we are going to use this particular form for all of these problems in this particular exercise. So I'll just submit, means when we just take in this particular order, the dividend should be equal, that is the left hand side should be equal to the right hand side value. So this is the dividend, right? This is at the left hand side, and this quotient, divisor and remainder, this is at left hand side. So now this right hand side values and left hand side values should match each other, the value should get same. So let's see whether we will get or no. We'll just take this first example. Here the dividend is 6, right? So this 6 will just submit here 6. Okay, what is the quotient we got? We got 3 as a quotient, so I'll write 3 is the quotient. And what is the divisor? Divisor is we have taken here it as 2, so divisor is 2. So what is the remainder we got? Remainder we got it as 0. Okay, so this is 3 into 2 is 6. See, we can observe here the dividend which is at left hand side and this quotient into divisor plus remainder, when we did this also we got 6. So now LHS side and RHS side we got the same value. So this is the way we will just do the problems in this particular exercise. The same example you can apply for this second one, you just try that. Okay, so we'll just go forward and we'll try to make it more simple. So however, I just have to mention few things. So this quotient is there now. This quotient will just write it as q of x, whereas the divisor we will just represent as g of x, and the remainder will represent as r of x. So because we are taking x as a valued, so this dividend we were just taking p of x. So in all of the problems, the dividend we were going to represent with p of x, and the quotient we are going to represent with q of x, and the divisor with g of x, and remainder with r of x. I hope this is very clear to you. Let's go for the exercise and we'll do the problems. So you could see the exercise problems here. In this exercise there are about 5 questions, so all these 5 questions we are going to solve very clearly. So see here, there are about 5 questions. Let's go forward. We'll go for the very first question and we'll solve it. Let's see. Let's go for very first question. Divide the polynomial p of x by the polynomial g of x and find the quotient and remainder in each of the following. So in this particular question there are 3 sub questions. So the question they are saying is that in each and every question they have given p of x and also g of x. The same thing happened, is a p of x and g of x, p of x, g of x. So now they are giving p of x and g of x. P of x is nothing but it is dividend, and g of x is nothing but it is a divisor. So they gave dividend and they gave divisor, and they are asking us to find out the quotient and remainder. Okay, this is very simple. Let's go forward. So very first one I'm taking, that is p of x equal to x power 3 minus 3x square plus 5x minus 3. This is p of x. Now I'll be writing g of x also, that is x square minus 2. So we have taken p of x and g of x which is given. So now we will just write it as, let us divide this one, right? This is p of x, x power 3 minus 3x square plus 5x minus 3 by, we'll just use this x square minus 2 and we'll just divide this particular dividend. So let's go forward. So I'll be writing it as x square minus 2, and this is x power 3 minus 3x square plus 5x minus 3. Okay, so now let's see how we can do this. So now here x square is there, okay, and here x cube is there. Always we have to concentrate the highest power values, and we will slowly try to eliminate one after the other value. Coming from first, we will be giving the first priority for the highest power, then we'll go step by step to the next value. So now here x square is there, here x cube is there. So our intention is to cancel this x cube now. So what I do is that just I'll take x here, which means x square into x is how much? It is x cube. X square into x is x cube. So I can write here x cube. Simple. So as already we took x here, this second term, that is 2, also we have to multiply with this x. Okay, so now 2 into x is 2x, because minus is there, this is minus 2x. So here I'll write minus 2x. We should not write in this space because here this is x square. Okay, because this is x term, I'm just writing under this x term. So now I'll just change the sign so that we could cancel the values. So here I'll just take minus, and here I'll take plus, because here is plus, right? The value is actually plus, but we are taking it as minus. So these both get cancelled, and here minus 3x square is there, that I'll write denominator here, a down part, minus 3x square, and this is plus 5x, this is plus 2x, so this will be getting plus 7x minus 3. Okay, so this is the value which we got now, and this one whatever we got, minus 3x square plus 7x minus 3, we'll use this one and we'll just continue to do the problem. That is, here is x square, here is also x square. What is only one thing which is missing, that is minus 3. So I'll write minus 3 here. So if you multiply x square into minus 3, we'll be getting minus 3x square. X square into minus 3, that is minus 3x square. So in the same way we should write this second value also, that is minus 2 into minus 3, minus into minus plus, and 2 3s are, it is 6. So I should write plus 6 over here. So we should write only in the place of whatever the power is there with the coefficient with the variable, that is 2 3s are 6. We got that. I'm writing under this value. So I can write here, I'm just taking the I'm just changing the signs. So this is becoming plus and this is becoming minus. So these both get cancelled. The remaining terms I'm writing down, that is 7x is there here, 7x remain, that I'm writing, and this is minus 6 and this is minus 3. So this will become minus 9. Okay, so we'll just continue to do forward. We got 7x minus 9. Here is the divisor as x square minus 2. Here the power of x is only 1, here the power of x is 2. Whenever the divisor is bigger then the remainder, we can't solve the problem. There itself we have to stop. Even it comes to the normal number. So let's take certain example. Suppose I'll write 5 by 2. Okay, so how we will do this division? 2 and 5 I'm taking, so 2 2's is 4, 2 2's 4, 5 minus 4 is 1. Okay, the remainder is, see, remainder is smaller than this particular divisor. So because the remainder is small, we will just stop there. Means if we just continue to do, we will just take point and then we'll just continue to solve the problem. But if we are just solving normally without any point, then we have to stop here itself. Same thing we are following here also, because this is the power 2 but here only the power as 1, we'll just stop over here. Okay, and we'll just check what are the values we got right or no. That also will do. So before that, I'll just write the conclusion point here. Therefore, they ask us to find out, one is remainder, another one is quotient. We'll write the same here. The quotient is, we got quotient as x minus 3, and we'll write the remainder also. So I can write the remainder is, we got 7x minus 9. So this is the remainder. Let's just verify it. So we'll just do the verification. So I'll write here, let us verify the division algorithm. Okay, so we'll just verify. So what is the rule? I've already said you in the beginning, that is dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. This is the rule, right? Nothing but we can write this as p of x, this is g of x, this is q of x, plus this is r of x. So because these are multiples, either you can write q of x first, then g of x, or g of x first, q of x, doesn't matter because this is just a multiple. So let's submit the values. So what is p of x? P of x is given, that is x cube minus 3x square plus 5x minus 3, that is p of x. And g of x is also given, that is x square minus 2, where q of x we got it, that is x minus 3. Okay, and plus remainder, that also we got 7x minus 9. Okay, we'll just solve this left hand side value. When we solve this left hand side value, we should get exactly like right hand side value. So let's try that. This is x square into x is how much? That is x cube, and x square into 3 is how much? That is minus 3x square. Okay, and this is minus 2 into x is minus 2x, and 2 3's it is 6, minus into minus, that is plus, so plus 6. So we just multiplied x square into x, we got x cube, and we again multiplied x square into 3, we got minus 3x square. Then we took this 2 into x, that we got minus 2x, and 2 3's are, we got plus 6, and we are writing this remaining term, that is plus 7x minus 9. Okay, so x power 3, and this is minus 3x square, and here if you observe, minus 2x plus 7x, 7 minus 2 is how much? It is 5. So I can write plus 5x, and this is plus 6 minus 9, plus 6 minus 9 in the sense that is minus 3. See, this value and this value is perfectly same, right? The left hand side and our right hand side, both of them were perfectly same. So we got the LHS equal to RHS. Okay, so even the verification is perfect. So whatever the solution we did, that was right. So we'll just write the conclusion, hence verified. Okay, so this is all about this first question. Let's see the second one. Let's see the second question. The question is p of x equal to x power 4 minus 3x square plus 4x plus 5. G of x is x square plus 1 minus x. So this is given. So we'll use this and we'll just solve that. So I can write given, that is p of x equal to x power 4 minus 3x square plus 4 of x plus 5. This is p of x. I will write g of x also. So that is x square plus 1 minus x. So we'll write, let us divide what is p of x, that is x power 4 minus 3x square plus 4x plus 5 by this g of x, that is x square plus 1 minus x. Okay, so let's go forward, we'll do it. X square plus 1 minus x is the divisor and the dividend is x power 4 minus 3x square plus 4x plus 5. Okay, so now we just do as the same like the previous problem. See, the quotient either you can write here or some people will write over here also. Here it doesn't matter, either I write here or here, it doesn't matter, only thing is we are solving in the perfect way. So here this is x square into, if I just multiply one more x square, so x square into x square is how much, that is x power 4. As I said in the previous problem, we should always concentrate the highest power values. So this is x power 4 I have taken. So this 1 also I'll just multiply with this x square. So 1 into x square is only x square. And this x also I'll just multiply with this x square. So x into x square is x cube. So I'll be just writing over here. This is minus x cube. This I'll just move a little, plus x square. Okay, so now we could just cancel this. So this is minus, this is plus, and this is minus. So these both get cancelled. Here what is remained here? Plus x cube is remained. So here this is minus x square and this is minus 3x square. So this I can write minus 4x square. Okay, and this also we can write plus 4x plus 5 as the same. Okay, so one thing you have to observe here, in the given equation or polynomial here, x power 3 is not there, but while solving we got that x power 3 separately, but still we have to take the value whatever we got, though it was not given in the question, that also will just include in the problem. So that x power 3 we got, just I'm taking. Okay, so now let's go with the next term. That here we got x power 3, here x square is there. So if I just take x over here, so x square into x is how much, that is x cube. Okay, and let's take the next term also, that is 1 into x is, that is just an x. So now this minus x into x is minus x square. So here I can write minus x square. Okay, so let's solve it. So this is minus I'm taking, this is plus, this is minus. So we could just cancel these values, these both get cancelled, and this is minus 4x square, this is plus x square, which means we'll be getting minus 3x square, and this is plus 4x and minus x, we'll be getting this as plus 3x, and this 5 also I'll just take down, so plus 5. Okay, so let's try forward. So here is x square, so I can just take minus 3 here, that is x square into minus 3 will be getting here as minus 3x square. Okay, so minus 3x square, in the sense the next value I'll be taking this as 1 into minus 3 is, that is minus 3, that I'll be just writing here. So this is minus x into minus 3 is minus 3x. Okay, so we got minus x into minus 3, that is minus into minus plus, that we got plus 3x, and here 1 into minus 3, that is minus 3 we got over here. So we'll just try to solve further. So this will be just changing sign, this is plus, this is minus, and this is plus. So let's cancel these both of them, plus minus values, this also same, this also get cancelled. This is 5 plus 3, that we are getting 8 as the remainder. So whatever the values we got, that we'll just first write the conclusion and then we'll just verify the values. So I can write here, therefore the quotient. So what is the quotient we got? That is x square plus x minus 3, that is the quotient we got, and the remainder is what? The remainder equal to, that we got 8 as the remainder. Okay, so let's do verification also. So I can write here let's verify the division algorithm. Okay, so for that I'll just write p of x equal to, this is g of x into q of x plus r of x. Okay, so let's submit the values. What is p of x given? That is x power 4 minus 3x square plus 4x plus 5. That is x power 4 minus 3x square plus 4x plus 5 is p of x. And g of x, we can just take it as x square plus 1 minus x. This is given. G of x, it is given x square plus 1 minus x. And q of x, we found it, that is, this is the q of x. X square plus x minus 3 is q of x. And the r of x, we got the value as 8. Okay, so let's solve this. X square into x square is x power 4, and x square into x is x power 3, and x square into 3 is minus 3x square, and this also will multiply. 1 into x square is x square, 1 into x is x, and 1 into 3 is minus 3. In the same way, I'll just multiply remaining also. X into x is minus x cube, and x into x is, that is, minus x square. Okay, then this also I'll just multiply. X into 3 is minus 3x, so this is plus 3x. Actually, minus into minus, it is plus, so this is plus 3x, and we'll write plus 8 as it is. Let's check one more time. X square into x square is x power 4, x square into x is x power 3, x square into 3, that is minus 3x square, and this will just multiply now. 1 into x square is x square, and 1 into x is x, and 1 into 3 is minus 3, and we'll just multiply with x also. So x into x is x cube, and x into x, it was minus x square, and this is x into minus 3, that is minus x into minus 3. We'll be getting that as plus 3x, and this plus 8 we are writing as it is. Okay, so let's solve this. So I'm writing x power 4 first, then here plus x cube minus x cube can be cancelled. Here minus 3x square is there, and this is plus x square minus x square can be cancelled, and minus 3x square we'll just write here minus 3x square. So here this is plus x, this is plus 3x, so 3 plus 1, it is 4x, and here minus 3 plus 8, so that is nothing but plus 5, so we can write plus 5. So here this LHS, it is x power 4 minus 3x square plus 4x plus 5, and this also x power 4 minus 3x square plus 4x plus 5. So we got very perfect value, that is left hand side we got equal to the right hand side. So we can write hence verified. Okay, so whatever the values we got, the quotient and remainder for the given dividend and divisor, the values were perfectly right. So let's go for the next question. So third question I'm writing, that is p of x is equal to x power 4 minus 5x plus 6. This is p of x, and g of x is given as 2 minus x square. X power 4 minus 5x plus 6 is p of x, 2 minus x square, that is g of x. Okay, so let's solve. So I can write here, let we divide. So what is given? X power 4 minus 5x plus 6 by, the divisor is 2 minus x square. So let's solve. 2 minus x square, and this is given x power 4 minus 5x plus 6. Okay, so this time I'll just take over here, everything is same, so as I took in the last two problems here, so now here I'm just taking above. Okay, so now 2 into x power 4 is how much? That was we always have to see that we should eliminate the highest power. So now here x square is there, so we'll just take the values according to the x value. So now here is x square, So if I just take here minus x square, so I'll be getting x square into x square, that will be getting x power 4. So I can write here x power 4. So this is already minus x square and this is minus x square, so minus into minus plus x power 4. Okay, so the same we should multiply for 2 also. So 2 into minus x square is how much? That is minus 2 x square. Okay, so let's solve this. Minus plus, so these both get cancelled, and this is minus 5x and this is plus 2x. Sorry, this is x square is there, so we'll just write this as it is. So 2x square, and this minus 5x we'll just write is minus 5x plus 6 as it is. Okay, so now this is 2x square is there, so here is x square. So if I just take minus 2, so minus x square into minus 2 is how much? That is plus 2x square. Okay, so now here I'll just take this 2 also, I'll just multiply with this 2. So 2 into 2, that is because minus is there, that is minus 4. Okay, let's change the signs. So this is minus and this is plus, so these both get cancelled. Remained is minus 5x and this is 6 plus 4, that was how much? It was 10 as a value which we got. So if you just observe here, this is minus 5x plus 10 we got, which means minus 5x, this x is having the power as 1, but in the divisor the power is 2, so we can't further solve it because the power of remainder is smaller compared to the power of divisor. So this is all this is the value which we got, so we'll just stop it and we'll write the conclusion. So I can write, therefore the quotient equal to, what is the quotient we got? This is minus x square minus 2. Okay, and the remainder we can write it as minus 5x plus 10. Okay, so we got the quotient and the remainder. We'll now verify it. So I can write here, let's verify the division algorithm. Okay, so I can write p of x equal to g of x into q of x plus r of x. Okay, so let's submit all of the values which were given and we'll just see whether the values we are getting right or no. That is, LHS should be equivalent to the RHS. Okay, so what is p of x? P of x I'll be just writing here. P of x was given that as x power 4 minus 5x plus 6. So this is a p of x, x power 4 minus 5x plus 6, and g of x is also given, that is 2 minus x square, that is g of x, whereas the quotient we got, that as minus x square minus 2, that is q of x, and the remainder we got it as minus 5x plus 10. Okay, so let's solve this left hand side, that is 2 into x square is minus 2x square and 2 into 2, that is minus 4. Okay, so this is x square into x square, that will be getting minus into minus, that is plus x power 4, and this also I'll just multiply, minus into minus plus 2x square. Okay, so this is minus 5x plus 10. These are the remained values. So let's check one more time. 2 into x square is minus 2x square and 2 into 2, that is minus 4, and x square into x square, that is plus x power 4, and this is x into 2, that is plus 2x square. Okay, so now here we'll just solve it further. X power 4, I have to write first highest power, so this is plus 2x square, this is minus 2x square, we could just cancel this both of them, and the remaining values were, this is minus 5x I'm writing here, so plus 10 minus 4, so plus 10 minus 4 means what we'll be getting, that is plus 6. See here, x power 4 minus 5x plus 6, this also x power 4 minus 5x plus 6. So we got the left hand side value equivalent to the right hand side. So I can write LHS is equal to RHS. Okay, so I can write, hence verified. Okay, so this is all about these three questions which were there for the first question. So here in the first question we have solved what they have given the divisor and the dividend. By using dividend and divisor, they asked us to find out the quotient and remainder, and for three of the questions which they gave for the first one, we have solved that, and for all of the questions we got the quotient and remainder. So let's go for the second question. Check in which case the first polynomial is a factor of the second polynomial by dividing the polynomial by the first polynomial. Okay, so in this particular question there are three sub questions, and they are saying that in each and every question there are two polynomials. See here, two polynomials were there, two polynomials. So now there are two polynomials in each question. So they are saying that in the question when the two polynomials were given, now we should find out what are the factors, which means for two of the polynomial, in two of the polynomial, one polynomial is factor of the other polynomial. So we should prove whether the particular two, in given two polynomials, whether one polynomial is factor of the other polynomial or no. Okay, so once as we solving, you'll get more clarity. So we'll go forward. We'll go for very first question. The question here you could see t power 3 minus 3. The next one is 2t power 4 plus 3t cube minus 2t square minus 9t minus 12. Okay, so this is a question. So very first polynomial, that is right here, first polynomial, what they have given, the first polynomial is t, it is not cube, it is t square, so t square minus 3. Okay, second polynomial, what is the second polynomial? This full one is the second polynomial. I'll write here 2t power 4 plus 3t cube minus 2t square minus 9t minus 12. Okay, so let's divide this. So I can write, let us divide 2t power 4 plus 3t power 3 minus 2t square minus 9t minus 12 by, so the next polynomial 2t square minus 3. So we'll be using the same method which we used for the first question. We'll solve it. Okay, so let's go forward. So I can write here t square minus 3, and the dividend is given 2t power 4 plus 3t cube minus 2t square minus 9t minus 12 is the dividend given. So this I'll just take above. Okay, so here if I just take 2t square, t square into 2t square will be getting 2t power 4. Okay, so next term I can take here as because 3 is there, if I multiply here 3 to the 6 I'll be getting, so I can write minus 6 t square. Okay, so this is t square into 2t square is that is we got 2t power 4, and 3 into 2, that is minus 6 t square. So we'll just solve this. This is plus, so this will become minus and this will become plus, so these both get cancelled, and remaining terms we can write 3t power cube, and this is minus 2 and this is plus 6, so we'll be getting this as plus 4t square. Remaining terms we'll write minus 9t minus 12. Okay, so now we'll further solve this, because the next term is t cube, so we can write here plus 3t, I'll write. So t square into 3t is how much? That was 3t cube. Okay, so this 3 also will apply here. 3 into 3, that is minus 9t. Okay, so this is 3 3s are 9, where t is also there, that is minus 9t. So this is becoming minus and this is becoming plus. We can just cancel these both of them, and these both of them we are remain with 4t square minus 12. Okay, so we got 4t square minus 12 as the value. So now if I just take here 4 as the value, so let's see what do we get. T square into 4 is, that is 4t square, and this 3 is also there, so 3 4s are, it is how much? 12. As minus 3 is there, so we can take minus 12. So if I just change the sign, this is minus and this is plus. Let's see what do we get here. This is plus 4t square minus 4t square can be cancelled, minus 12 plus 12 can be cancelled. We are getting the remainder as 0. So we got the remainder as 0, which means whatever the divisor which they gave, that was the perfect factor of the dividend which was given. So we'll write same conclusion here. So I can write here, therefore the remainder is 0, right? So the remainder is 0. So we can write, therefore t square minus 3 is the divisor which is given. So that is t square minus 3 is a factor of, what is the dividend, that is 2t power 4 plus 3t cube minus 2t square minus 9t minus 12. Okay, so t square minus 3 is a factor of this particular dividend which is given. Okay, so this was the particular solution which we got. Because the remainder we got 0, then only we can say the given divisor as the factor of the particular p of x which is given. Okay, so this is all about this particular question. We'll go for the next one. Let's go for the second question. The question says x square plus 3x plus 1. The second polynomial is 3x power 4 plus 5x power 3 minus 7x square plus 2x plus 2. Okay, so we should find out whether one of the polynomial is a factor of other or no. So okay, so we'll write here, what is the first polynomial? First polynomial. So that is, this is the first polynomial. We'll write here x power 2 plus 3x plus 1. Second polynomial is what? That also we'll write here. That is 3x power 4 plus 5x power 3 minus 7x square plus 2x plus 2. This is the second polynomial. Okay, so now we'll do it. Let us divide. We'll divide it. We'll write this 3x power 4 plus 5x power 3 minus 7x square plus 2x plus 2, that will divide by x square plus 3x plus 1. Okay, so we'll just divide it. So I can write here x square plus 3x plus 1 is one of the polynomial. The next polynomial 3x power 4 plus 5x power 3 minus 7x square plus 2x plus 2 is the other polynomial. So we'll just solve it. So here x power 4 is there, so I can write 3x square. So x square into 3x square, that is, we'll be getting 3x power 4. So next one is 3 into x square is 3 3s are 9, x into x square is x cube. So I can write plus 9x cube. So next one is 1 into x square, that is x, that is 3x square. Okay, we'll change the signs, minus minus minus, so these both get cancelled, and here 5x power 3 is there, and here 9x power 3 is there. That is minus 9 plus 5, that is nothing but minus 4x power 3. Okay, so this is minus 7x square and this is minus 3x square. So minus minus, that is minus 7 minus 3 is nothing but minus 10x square. So we'll write the remaining terms, that is plus 2x plus 2. Okay, so we'll further solve this. Here x square is there and here x cube is there, so I can just write here minus 4x. So that is x square into minus 4 is minus 4x is there, minus 4x cube. X square into x is x cube, minus 4x cube. So now here this 3x into 4x is nothing but 3 4s are 12. So I can write 12, x into x is x square. Okay, next is 1 into 4x, that is minus 4x. So let's solve this. This is plus, this is also plus, this is also plus. Okay, so these both get cancelled, and this is minus 10x square, this is plus 12x square. So I can write this as 2x square, and this is plus 2x, and this is plus 4x, so I can write here plus 6x plus 2. So let's further solve this. So this is x square, and here also we have x square, so I can just take here 2 as the value. So x square into 2 is how much? That is 2x square. So we'll take the next terms. 3 to the 6, so that is 6x. Next is 1 into 2, that is we got 2. So we can change the signs, minus, and this also will just take minus, this also minus. So once we can cancel everything, because this is 2x square, this is minus 2x square, plus 6x minus 6x, and this is plus 2 and this is minus 2. We have cancelled everything, the remainder we got as 0. So perfectly we got remainder as 0. Then we can say that this x square plus 3x plus 1, that is the factor of this particular p of x. Okay, so we'll write the conclusion as the same. So I can write the remainder is 0. So we can write therefore x square plus 3x plus 1 is a factor of, what was it, p of x given, 3x power 4 plus 5x power 3 minus 7x square plus 2x plus 2. Okay, so for this the factor is this one. Okay, that we understood. Once the division algorithm, when it got 0, that is nothing but the divisor is the factor of the dividend. Okay, let's see the third question. Let's go for the third question. The question says x power 3 minus 3x plus 1. This is one of the polynomial. Second polynomial is x power 5 minus 4x cube plus x square plus 3x plus 1. This is the second polynomial. So we'll write here first polynomial. So what it is? X power 3 minus 3x plus 1 is the first polynomial. We'll write the second polynomial also. Second polynomial, that is x power 5 minus 4x cube plus x square plus 3x plus 1. Okay, so we'll write, let us divide. So what is given, that is x power 5 minus 4x cube plus x square plus 3x plus 1, that will divide by, what is the next equation, that is x power 3 minus 3x plus 1. So we are going to divide this particular equation with this one. So let's go forward. So I can take here x power 3 minus 3x plus 1 is one of the polynomial. Next is x power 5 minus 4x power 3 plus x square plus 3x plus 1. Okay, so let's do this. X cube is there, here x power 5 is there. So if I just take x square, x cube into x square is x power 5. So this also I'll multiply 3x into x square, that is x cube minus 3x cube. Okay, this also I'll multiply plus x square. So let's solve this. So if I just change the sign, this is minus, this is plus, and this is minus. So these both get cancelled. Minus 4x cube, this is plus 3x cube, so we'll be remain with minus x cube. Okay, and this is plus x square and this is minus x square, so these both get cancelled. So this we can just write as 0. Next term is that this is 3x, we'll write here, and plus 1 also we'll write downstairs. So now this is x cube and this is x cube. So if I just write minus 1, so x cube into minus 1 is minus x cube. Okay, again this 3x into minus 1 is plus 3x, that is minus into minus plus, so minus 3x into minus 1 is plus 3x. So again this 1 into minus 1 is, that is minus 1. So we'll just change the signs, this is plus, this as minus, and this as plus. So this is minus x cube plus x cube can be cancelled, plus 3x minus 3x can be cancelled. This is plus 1 and plus 1, will be getting plus 2 as the value. Here we observe that the remainder is plus 2 here. 2 is the remainder. So if the remainder is 0, then only we can say one polynomial is a factor of the other polynomial. But here the remainder is not 0, so definitely we can say one polynomial is not the factor of the other polynomial. So we'll write the same conclusion. I'll write since remainder is 2, right? 2 is the remainder which is not equal to 0. So we can write the conclusion, therefore x power 3 minus 3x plus 1 is not a factor of x power 5 minus 4x power 3 plus this is x square plus 3x plus 1. Okay, this particular polynomial, it is not the factor of this second polynomial. That is what we got in this particular question. We have solved 3 sub questions of the second question. Now we are going for the third question. Let's go forward. Let's go for the third question. Obtain all of the zeros of 3x power 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5 if two of its zeros are under root 5 by 3 and minus under root 5 by 3. This is the polynomial. Okay, so this particular polynomial is having the power as 4. So to this particular polynomial, we should find out the zeros of the polynomial. Zeros in the sense, we should find out the factors of that particular polynomial. Okay, so now because the power is 4 for this particular polynomial, we'll be getting 4 factors. Most probably for whatever the polynomial there, we'll be getting the same number of factors with respect to its power. But it is not compulsory, but most probably we'll be getting equivalent to the power of the particular polynomial. So now here they are saying that already these 2 factors which were given, we should find out the remaining factors, which means for this particular polynomial, because the power is 4, then that should have 4 factors, right? So now 2 factors were already given, we should find out the remaining 2 factors. Okay, let's see that. So we'll write here the polynomial given, also will write polynomial 3x power 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5, okay, and its zeros are, what are the values? Under root 5 by 3 and the second value is minus under root 5 by 3. Okay, which means if we just write with respect to x, that is x equal to under root 5 by 3 is one polynomial. Second polynomial is x equal to under root minus 5 by 3, right? So this we just I wrote in the form of factors, okay, for easy understanding, that's it. So we got one value is root 5 by 3, other value is minus root 5 by 3. If I just bring this to other side, that is if I send this root to other side, this is becoming x square equal to 5 by 3. Okay, this also if I send to other side, that is x square equal to minus 5 by 3. Okay, so these are the factors which we could observe, but we'll just take both of them together as before solving any particular equation. Then that equation, if we just merge it, how the equation will be, that I'm just taking here now. So now I can write these both. If I bring this to this side, what do I get here? That is this particular one and this particular one I'm taking. So that is x minus under root 5 by 3. Okay, this also if I bring to other side, that is x plus root 5 by 3. Okay, this I brought this side, this also I brought this side. So these were the 2 things which we got. So we'll just merge it. Okay, so I can write x plus root 5 by 3 is one of that. Next thing is x minus under root 5 by 3 is the second one, which is equal to 0, we can write. Okay, so while finding out the roots, this is what we do, right, which is equal to 0 we'll be taking and we'll be just solving. So that is what we are taking here also. So now here this is in the form of a plus b into a minus b, right? So what is the formula? A plus b into a minus b is nothing but what? A square minus b square. Okay, so the same thing will apply over here. So here a is representing x and b is representing under root 5 by 3. We'll apply the same here. So I can write here x square minus under root 5 by 3 whole square. Okay, so that is equal to 0. So we'll just cancel this root and square. Root and square can be cancelled. Will be remain with x square minus 5 by 3 equal to 0. Okay, we'll further solve it. We can do LCM also here. So this is becoming 3x square minus 5 whole by 3 equal to 0. If I send 3 to other side, we'll be getting this as 3x square minus 5 equal to 0 into 3. So this is 3x square minus 5 equal to 0. Okay, so this is the particular expression we got, 3x square minus 5. Okay, that is the factor of this particular given polynomial. So I can write here, therefore 3x square minus 5 is a factor of what is the polynomial given, 3x power 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5. Okay, so this will just apply for the division algorithm and we'll just try to solve it. So I can write here, applying division algorithm. Okay, to the polynomial. What is the polynomial? And even the one which we got, 3x square minus 5. So let's do that. 3x square minus 5 is acting as the divisor, and this 3x power 4 plus 6x power 3 minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5, this is the dividend. Okay, so now this is x power 4 is there, here x square is there, so if I just multiply x square, this is becoming 3x power 4. 3x square into x square is how much? That is 3x power 4, right? So now this 5 also will just multiply with x square, so 5 into x square, that will be getting as minus 5x square. So we'll just change the sign, so this is negative and this is positive. These both can be cancelled. 3x power 4 minus 3x power 4 can be cancelled. Remaining is 6x power 3, and this is becoming plus 5 and minus 2, so this is plus 3x square, and this is minus 10x minus 5 is the remaining terms. I will just further solve it. So now this is x cube is there, so I'll just take here 2x. Okay, 3x square into 2x, that is 3 2s are 6, x square into x is x cube. Okay, so this 5 also will multiply for the same, so 5 into 2x is minus 5 2s are 10x. So we'll change the signs, this is minus and this is plus. These both can be cancelled and these both can be cancelled. The remaining terms are 3x square minus 5. Okay, so this 3x square minus 5, here also 3x square minus 5, so we can just take 1 here. So 3x square minus 5 into 1 is 3x square, and this is minus 5 into 1 is minus 5. We'll change the sign, here as minus, here as plus. These both getting cancelled. Okay, so everything got cancelled. What is the remainder here? That is equal to 0. So here we got the remainder as 0. Okay, so we'll just verify it. So I can write here, verifying the division algorithm. Okay, so what is the form? P of x equal to g of x into q of x plus r of x is the form. So we'll just submit what is the given polynomial, that is 3x power 4 plus 6x power cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5 is the given polynomial, and the g of x is 3x square minus 5 is the g of x, right? 3x square minus 5. So even the quotient is x square plus 2x plus 1, that also will just write over here, so that I can take here in brackets x square plus 2x plus 1, and the remainder we got it 0, so I can write plus 0. So let's multiply these terms, so I can write this as 3x square into x square is how much? That is 3x power 4, and this 3x square into 2x is plus 2 3s are 6x power cube, and 3 into 1, that is 3x square. So this also I'll multiply. 5 into x square is 5x square, and this is minus 5x square. Okay, so 5 into 2, that is 10x, and 5 into 1, that is, this is also minus 10x, so this is minus 5. Okay, so we'll further solve this. So I can write this as 3x power 4, and this is 6x power 3, and this is plus 3x, this is minus 5x square. So this is plus 3 minus 5, in the sense minus 2x square, and this is minus 10x minus 5. So now we could observe that this particular polynomial, so that is equal to this particular polynomial which we got, that is LHS we got equal to RHS, right? Which means the particular solution whatever we have solved, all that is perfectly right. But we can't stop here, because the question which they are asking is that they are asking us to find the roots of the polynomial. Two roots were given, we should find out the remaining two roots. So that we will find out by using this particular coefficient we got over here. So I'll just write over here coefficient is equal to what? X square plus 2x plus 1 is the coefficient. So we'll just take that. Here this is particularly, if we just observe, this is looking as if like a plus b whole square. That is already here a plus b whole square, in the sense a square plus b square plus 2ab, where here x is acting like a and 1 is acting like a b. Okay, x square is there, here it is 1 square. Okay, 1 is there. If 1 square, if we say also 1 square is nothing but it is 1, so this is exactly looking like a plus b whole square. I'll just write here, you'll get more clarity. So this is x square 1 square plus 2 into a is x, b is 1, nothing but I can write x square plus 1 plus 2x. If I write in this particular form, that is x square plus 2x plus 1, this is as the same. So simply instead of x square plus 2x plus 1, we will just write here x plus 1 whole square. So as we got x plus 1 whole square, so we can write this as, therefore x equal to, this is x plus 1 whole square, which is x plus 1 into x plus 1, right? This is x plus 1 into x plus 1, because x plus 1 whole square, right? So then we can write this separately, each of them, x plus 1 equal to 0, this also x plus 1 equal to 0, so we will be getting x equal to minus 1, this also we are getting x equal to minus 1. So these are the two roots which we got. So we can write, therefore zeros of x plus 1 whole square are minus 1 minus 1. Okay, and for the given polynomial, that also we will just write the conclusion, that I'll write here, therefore the zeros of given polynomial is, what are the zeros? Minus 1, and second one is minus 1, and third one is under root 5 by 3, and the last one is minus under root 5 by 3. Okay, so these are all the roots which we got for the particular question. So this is all about this particular question. We'll go for the next one. Let's go for the fourth question. On dividing x power 3 minus 3x square plus x plus 2 by a polynomial g of x, the quotient and remainder were x minus 2 minus 2x plus 4 respectively. Find g of x. Here they have given the polynomial. To that particular polynomial, even they have given the remainder and also they have given the coefficient, and we should find out the divisor. They didn't give the divisor, we should find out the divisor, where for the polynomial they have already given remainder and coefficient. Okay, let's try to do this. So I can write given elements, I'll write here, that is p of x is what? X power 3 minus 3x square plus x plus 2, that is p of x given, and q of x also given, that is x minus 2. Okay, and the remainder is minus 2x plus 4, that is also given. Okay, we'll use the division algorithm. So for the division algorithm, I can write here by division algorithm we can write dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder, right? Nothing but we can write this as p of x equal to, this is g of x and this is q of x plus r of x. So we'll just submit all these things which we have, that is p of x is x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2 is p of x, and g of x is not given, so we'll write this as it is, and q of x is x minus 2. Okay, and r of x also will just submit, that is minus 2x plus 4. Okay, so here if you just observe, this is in multiples where this is separate, that I can send to other side. So I can write x power 3 minus 3x square plus x plus 2, and I'm bringing these terms to other side, so I can write this as plus 2x, and this is minus 4, and this g of x as it is, x minus 2 as it is. Okay, I just brought minus 2x plus 4 to other side, so minus 2x became plus 2x and plus 4 became minus 4. Okay, this x minus 2 also I'll just send to other side, so I'll be getting g of x equal to these terms I'll just simplify, that is x power 3 minus 3x square, this is x plus 2x is 3x, and this is plus 2 minus 4 in the sense this is minus 2. So whole by g of x minus 2, this is coming to other side and g of x is to this side, so in the denominator x by x minus 2 is coming. Okay, so we'll just divide these things by using the division algorithm form, and let's see what do we get. Okay, so let's do that. X minus 2, x power 3 minus 3x square plus 3x minus 2. Okay, so this is what we are taking, let's solve it. So here x cube is there, so we can take x square, x into x square is x cube, so now this also will just take 2 into x square is minus 2x square. Okay, so we'll change the sign, minus plus, so these both get cancelled, remaining term is minus x square, so this also will write plus 3x minus 2. Okay, so we'll just solve it further. So here is x, here is x square, so I can write here minus x, x into this x into minus x is minus x square, so this minus 2 into minus x is, that is we'll be getting minus into minus plus, that is 2x will be getting. So here we'll just change the sign, this has plus and this has minus, we can cancel these both, and 3x minus 2x is just x, and this remaining minus 2 we will write here. So here if we just take plus 1, x into 1 is x, minus 2 into 1 is minus 2, so we'll change the signs, so here we can write plus, of course this is already plus, so we can take minus, so this we can take plus, these both get cancelled, plus x minus x, minus 2 plus 2 can be cancelled, this the remainder we are getting as 0. So perfectly the remainder we got 0, then we can say whatever the divisor, this whatever the quotient we got over here, that is nothing but the divisor which we got. So we'll write here, therefore divisor g of x is x square minus x plus 1. Okay, but this is quotient, how can we say that as divisor? In the sense, see above what you have taken here, g of x is nothing but this particular polynomial, when we divide with this particular polynomial, whatever the solution we are getting, that is nothing but g of x. Alright, so now when we divide these both of them, this is the value which we got, which means that was g of x. G of x is what? Divisor. So that is what we got, the divisor as x square minus x plus 1. So we got the solution where they have given the quotient, they have given the remainder, where they asked us to find out divisor, So we got the divisor, that is x square minus x plus 1. So this is all about this particular question. We'll go for the next one. So let's go for the fifth question. Give examples of polynomials p of x, g of x, q of x, r of x which satisfy the division algorithm. Okay, so they're just asking us to give certain examples for the below given three questions. Okay, we'll just take the first one. So I'll write here degree of p of x should be equal to degree of q of x. That is what they give. So we should give our own example. So I can write let p of x, I can take something like 2x square plus 4x plus 12. So I'm just taking my own example as p of x. So if you just see, the degree is 2 here, so that is my intention. I just took the degree as 2, so I can write here degree of p of x, the above polynomial, that is p of x. What is the degree we have taken? The degree we have taken as 2. So same we'll take for the q of x also. They ask us for the q of x now, we'll just take for the same. So I can write q of x equal to 3x square plus x plus 3, something I took. So here the power is 2 again, which means the intention here is that degree of p of x and q of x should be equal. For the reason, I just took some random equation where I took the power as 2. Because I took the power as 2 for p of x, for the q of x also I took the same power. So I can write here degree of q of x is also 2. Okay, so we'll use division algorithm here and we'll try to solve it using division algorithm. Okay, that is p of x equal to q of x into g of x plus r of x. So let's further solve this particular one. So I'll just submit the values here. So that is, first I'll write here divide 12x cube, not cube, it is x square plus 4x plus 12 by 3x square plus x plus 3. So let's do this. 3x square plus x plus 3, and this is 12x square plus 4x plus 12. So if I just take 4 here, so this is x square and this is also x square. If I just take 4, this is 3 4s will be getting 12, that is 12x square. So this also I'll multiply. X into 4 is 4x, and this is 3 into 4 is 12. So let's take minus here, minus minus. So plus 12x square minus 12x square get cancelled, plus 4x minus 4x plus 12 minus 12, everything got cancelled. We got the remainder as 0. So let's do further. I can write since remainder is 0. Okay, so what we can say, the factor as, I'll write conclusion, therefore 3x square plus x plus 3 is a factor of, what is the equation or the polynomial, 12x square plus 4x plus 12. Alright, so now this is for the first one and we have 2 more, we'll go for that also. So second one I'll write here. Let's see the second one. So the question is degree of p of x should be equal to degree of r of x. Okay, so we'll take r1 values. So I can write let p of x equal to 2x power 5 plus 4x power 4 plus 6x power 3 plus 10x square plus 4. This is p of x I'm taking. Q of x will take it as 2x square plus 2x plus 2. Okay, so what is the degree of q of x? So that is 2 is the degree, right? 2 is the degree of q of x. So we'll write here using division algorithm. Okay, what is divisor algorithm? That is P of x equal to Q of x into G of x plus R of x. So let's go forward. So I can write here divide 2x power 5 plus 4x power 4 plus 6x power 3 plus 10x square plus 4 by that will be just taking 2x square plus 2x plus 2. This is a Q of x, right? So we'll just do this. I can write 2x square plus 2x plus 2, and this is 2x power 5 plus 4x power 4 and 6x power 3 plus 10x square plus 4. Okay, so we'll just solve this. So I can write here as x square is there, x power 5 is there, so I can just take x power 3. Okay, x square into x cube is x power 5, that is 2x power 5, and this is 2x into x cube. How much do we get here? That is 2x power 4, and the next one also here 2 into x cube is how much? That is plus 2x cube we are getting. So let's solve this. Minus 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 as a sign, these both get cancelled. This is plus 4 and this is minus 2, so we'll be remained with 2x power 4. Okay, so this is 6 minus 2 is 4, so I can write here plus 4x cube, and this also I'll write plus 10x square, and plus 4 is remained. So here x power 4 is there, x power 2 is there over here, so I can simply write here plus x square. So let's see what do we get. 2x square into x square is 2x power 4, and this is 2x into x square, so that will be getting as, so what do we get here? 2x cube, and this again 2x, this is 2 is there again, 2 into x square is 2x square. So let's try to solve this. If you just change the sign, minus minus minus, these both get cancelled. 4 minus 2, that will be getting as 2x cube. This is 10 minus 2, that will be getting as 8x square plus 4. Okay, so we'll just take here is x cube, here as x square, so what we can take over here, we can just take plus x. So if we just multiply 2x square with x, that will be getting 2x cube, and 2x into x is, that will be getting as 2x square. Okay, so next is what? 2 into x, that will be getting as 2x. So we'll just change signs, minus minus minus, so these both get cancelled. So 8 minus 2 in the sense will be getting the value as 4x, not 4, this is 6x square. Okay, 6x square, and this is minus 2x. So as this is 4 over here, so this is minus 2x plus 4 is remained. Okay, so 6x square minus 2x plus 4 is the value which is remained. So now we can write this as we got the coefficient, we got the remainder also. So we'll write here that is g of x, that is 6x square minus 2x plus 4, that is g of x, and r of x will be just writing 6x square plus 2x plus 4. Okay, so here the g of x degree is 2, even the r of x degree also 2. Alright, so we can conclude here degree of r of x is what? It is 2. Okay, even the degree of g of x is also 2. Okay, so we can conclude therefore degree of q of x equal to degree of r of x. Okay, q of x degree is equal to r of x degree. So this is all about the second one. We'll see the third one also. Let's go for the third one. The third one is degree of r of x equal to 0. Alright, so this is the question. So we can write here, I'm just taking certain values where I'll just try to do it. So I can take p of x equal to 3x power 4 plus 9x power 3 plus 3x square plus 6x plus 2. Alright, this is the p of x which I'm taking, and q of x I'll be just taking as 3. Okay, so let's do this further. So I can write here p of x, we got this one, and q of x we are just taking this. So I can write here divide 3x power 4 plus 9x power 3 plus 3x square plus 6x plus 2 by 3. We are just dividing. Okay, so let's do this. So I can write 3 into 3x power 4 plus 9x power 3 plus 3x square plus 6x plus 2. I'm writing over here. So we'll just try to solve this further. So because this is 3x power 4, so I can just take here x power 4. 3 into x power 4 is 3x power 4. So this 3 into x power 4, we got 3x power 4. So that we can change the signs. That is, if we just take minus, so these both get cancelled. The remaining is 9x cube plus 3x square plus 6x plus 2. Alright, so now because this is 3 here, but here x cube is there, so I can just take here as 3x cube, where 3 3s are 9, x cube will be getting here. So I can take minus, so these both get cancelled. Remaining I can write 3x square plus 6x plus 2. Alright, so now in the next term I can just simply take x square. 3 into x square is 3x square. I can take minus here, so these both get cancelled. Remaining is 6x plus 2. So I can take 3 is there, here is 6x is there, so I can take here 2x, that is 3 to the 6. So this is becoming 6x. Let's change the sign. So this plus x minus x can be cancelled. The remainder we are getting as 2. So let's write the conclusion over here. So I can write here, therefore g of x equal to x power 4 plus 3x power 3 plus x square plus 3x, whereas the r of x, if we just observe, that is 2. Okay, so therefore I can write here degree of r of x, that is nothing but, what is the degree here? Because there is no variable here, which means we can take the variable x power 0. Okay, x power 0 is nothing but it is 1. So 2 into 1, it will be 2 only. So as this variable we have taken x power 0, where the variable is having the power as 0, so we can definitely say the degree of r of x is 0. Okay, so the degree of r of x is 0. So that is what the question, to find out the degree of r of x. So that we got over here. Alright, degree of r of x, we got it as 0. Right, this is all about this particular question. So we have solved all of the questions in this particular exercise very clearly. I hope this was very clear to you. So we have solved exercise 1, exercise 2, 3 and 4 also. So you can just go through all of these particular exercise very clearly. That will definitely benefit you. I hope this is very clear to you. So keep going, stay tuned.